Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this tutorial will see a scenario based DAX question, so real time scenario based thing. So here you can see this is our sales table: product ID, sales date, transaction ID, cost price, sales price, city and state. And I wrote a query. So what it is returning? It is returning MTD sales and YTD sales. But if you observe, for MTD sales I am partitioning by year and month, and for YTD cells I'm partitioning by only year. Okay, so in this MTD and YTD cells product ID is not available. Okay, if I see for a particular month, if I want to see for a particular product ID what is my MTD cells, I will not get here. Okay, it is giving me all the product ID based MTD and YTD. So if I load this SQL query into Power BI, then if I run this, so I'll get this type of table. Okay, so I'll get this type of table. I created a month number. Okay, now what I want to get, I want to get product ID based MTD cells. Okay, so if I select a particular product ID, first I will select a particular month. Okay, January I am selecting. So here you can see in January all these product IDs are available. Okay, and MTD cells, if you see, this is the total MTD cells, but it is not based on product ID basis. Okay, but I want to get product ID based MTD cells. So how to do? So if I select product ID number 2, so here you can see it is giving sales price 3rd of January, product ID 2, sales price is 180, 17th of January it is 190. But if you see MTD sales, it should be 370 something like that, right? But it is giving me 1090. Why? Because it is based on all product ID basis. Okay, not only particular product ID. So how to do this? Let's see. So here you can see I selected all these things and I created a DAX. So what it is doing, I am calculating total sales price and all except. What all except is doing, I am basically saying to Power BI, so remove all the filters from this sales data table and keep the filters for product ID. Okay, remove all other filters but keep filters for product ID in this table. And if you know, for calculating MTD cells or running total, so what we do, we first take the sales date and less than or equals to maximum of sales date. So what it is doing, so first it is taking sales date for the product ID number 2 and month number 1. So it is going there and saying, so first sales date is 3rd of January, and what is the maximum number of maximum date? It is 17th January. So it is summing up the value of 3rd of January and 17th of January and giving me the total. Okay, so if you observe here, so giving me the running total of a particular product ID. So if I put product ID 2 here and month number 1 January, so I am getting this one, 180 plus 190 equals to 370. Okay, this is the 370, but this 370 I was not getting here because here there is no filter for product ID, there is no MTD cells for product ID, but I got like this. Okay, for a product basis MTD cells. And if you compare with SQL, so here what I can do, I can write a city with city as, and I will put product ID in partition by. Okay, so order by is not needed, and I'll write like select star from city where product ID equals to 2 and month of sales date equals to 1. So if I run this, here you can see for product ID 2, MTT sales is 180 plus 190 equals to 370, what we got here. Okay, so like this we can do partition by in Power BI. So if you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Okay, thank you guys, thank you.